My anticipation watch list for tomorrow. So there are these stocks which I'm monitoring for possible breakout tomorrow. And these are stocks. If you look at these stocks, they all have momentum and they have a pause. So AR is one of them. Terminex, which at the first leg orderly pullback. Baker Hughes. And then there's First Advantage Corporation, Riot Blockchain, RVNC, no, NOV, then Cleveland Cliff, Slumberger, CVX, PWXT, Maxar, Nucor, Alcoa, Jacobson Engineering, American Express, and Thermo Fisher. All these stocks have some sort of a momentum first leg, and then they're going sideways in a narrow range, or their volatility is low. So from such volatility, low volatility phase, stocks tends to break out. And if you have a watch list like this, then you can get into them early. And if you get into them early, your stops are much closer. So this is my watch list for today, for tomorrow.